the ROI of this thing is the best that sticks with me in my busy life. And that is Instagram. What if you are clueless? What if you don't know the term? Then you search the basic, then advanced, and all when there are 10 other videos. But in Instagram, things come to you. Like composition came to me, gradient came to me, how to angles, how to subtitle better. Everything came to me that are essential for my thing. I was able to learn it so fast because of this. First, one question. What do you think is the platform where you can learn the best? Is it YouTube? Is it your Gmail? Is it your Udemy courses or anything else? What is the one thing? And you would be shocked to know the ROI of this thing is the best that sticks with me in my busy life. And that is Instagram. I know it's shocking and unbelievable. I know it's unbelievable, but it's tried and tested by me that it's the highest ROI. When you have a busy schedule, you don't have essentially have time for a YouTube video which is 3 hours long. Like you forget about it, and you want the actual crux to come to you in a small format. And essentially, when you are an adult, you grasp things faster. When you are in like 22 to 30, what is with the YouTube video? They cater to a larger audience, so their audience can be a 17-year-old person, a 30-year-old person. But when you are in your learning phase, when you are 22, 23, you are busy, you can grasp things faster. You can just people can just say you the main thing and you can just grasp it and you can connect the dot and you are done with it. You don't want a 2 hour or long video to tell you why it's essential, why you should do it, and the steps and all. You can just figure it out on your own. So what you are going to do: first, whatever you are interested in right now, not on a long term or not what and blah blah blah, whatever you are interested in right now. I was interested in video editing 6 months back. So what I did was, you can do it by through two things. If you want your personal Instagram channel to be have more of this content, then you can go ahead with your personal Instagram account. But if you want to make another Instagram account for this purpose, make one. Like after you make one, go to your niche, like whatever you are interested in. Is it video editing? Search video editing. Search the content creators there are. Subscribe all of them. Go to the video reels. Click interested 10 times and start scrolling. Whatever you think is related to your growth or whatever can be beneficial to you, click interested. The first 1 week, I would say, would be not 1 week. It for Instagram, it's so fast. It takes even one day only, and it will recommend you stuff which you can be interested in. And it should be such a nugget of information that you can grasp it. You can make collection, you can send it to yourself to try it and all. And the thing is, there people compact it in a small information nugget, and whatever is there is the currently trending one. It's not like you are watching a 10 years old video about React. You are watching what is currently in fashion right now, what is trending, what people are finding interesting, and that. So basically, when a thing is out and people are actually trying it, people think it's worth it, it will be recommended to you. It will be a very trending topic which you can try. It can be, and it won't be just a topic, it will be a hack. When you go to YouTube, you search about your stuff. What if you are clueless? What if you don't know the term? Then you search the basic, then advanced, and all when there are 10 other videos. But in Instagram, things come to you. Whatever thing it thinks it good for you is will come. I was totally clueless. I don't know anything about video editing. Things came to me, like composition came to me, gradient came to me, how to angles, how to subtitle better. Everything came to me that are essential for my thing. And it was such small bucket of information. When you see a reel, you want to try it. I just try it, and I don't know, I was able to learn it so fast because of this. And this will also help you to minimize all your clutter that is there, or whatever there is, that stuff that is proper brain rot. Customize your feed such that it's a mix of some funny things and all, whatever you want in your free time that you want to see, as well as some productive things or whatever you want to become, that it's helping you to become kind of that thing. So you don't scroll endlessly. You will come there and in the middle you will get a reminder to go back and do your work. You will obviously open Instagram, there is no question in that. And the other thing is, if you open Instagram, I want it to look like a mix of comedy, memes, as well as self growth. That would be the perfect example of learning fast and also reducing your scroll. I refuse to believe that somebody doesn't have time for learning. Like, look at your screen time, look at your Instagram time, and anything else. There is time. You are just not using it where it's needed, and you don't have the system in place. There should be system. There shouldn't be discipline. There should be first system that would lead to you consistently doing it, and that will lead to your discipline. So that is the thing. If you have the systems in place, then you are tend to follow it. That's the only magic that is there. Create systems. So okay, that's all for today video. I hope you at least start to follow one of this from today, and let me know how it goes. Bye.